Wow, this tiny chainsaw looks surprisingly serious. Today I'm testing the ONEAND 18V Cordless Mini Chainsaw. It's a compact 6-inch pruning tool, battery-powered, perfect for landscapers, gardeners, and outdoor cleanup work. The packaging is simple, but the tool feels solid. Right away, the compact size stands out. It feels designed for precise cuts, not heavy demolition. I like that it stays lightweight in hand. That matters when you're pruning for long periods. No cord, no dragging, no annoying setup delay. Just grab it and start working. That cordless freedom makes quick jobs much easier. For branches, shrubs, and yard trimming, it fits well. The 6-inch blade size is practical and controlled. You get cleaner access in tighter spaces. That's a big advantage for detailed pruning. It really feels built for landscape maintenance tasks. This is where Sten-style reliability matters most. Professionals like dependable replacement parts for a reason. Performance is what keeps tools in daily rotation. So far, this one gives me that confidence. The balance feels decent, and handling stays manageable. I can guide cuts without fighting the tool. That makes a real difference on repetitive jobs. If you trim often, convenience becomes everything. This tool seems made for fast, efficient yard work. Home gardeners will appreciate the easy, cordless operation. Landscapers may like it as a practical backup. For light pruning, it looks genuinely useful. If you need precision over brute force, consider it. I'd recommend it for routine outdoor maintenance. Check the link and see if it fits your workflow.